Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm up in the doll room. Darren bought me a surprise doll, but later told me about it, that it was coming because I was looking to get one. This is a doll I have been kind of interested in a while. And lately, I have decided I wanted one or more, and I actually have another one coming of a different size. It is a cousin to the Blythe doll, in my opinion. It's made by the Goody, I don't know if it's company or, I don't know what it is, Goody, that's all I know. And so my husband, knowing that I wanted one, saw me looking at them on eBay, went and found this girl. She was up for auction and did not get a bid at her price. So what'd you do, contact the seller?
Yeah, I sent the seller a note and asked her if she would consider selling it for less. And she said yes, and, well, I should say they said, I have no idea, male or female, and offered it, put it up,
She has
reposted
wings.
it with a buy it now and a make offer, and I made the offer, and they accepted it instantly, and
Like always, we're like,
yeah, damn, should have offered less, but it was still a really good price for what they're selling for. And this is not a perfect doll. She has a flaw.
but this is Dolls Rescue.
Yeah.
I have never held one of these dolls before, never really paid attention to them very much before. This is a pull-up doll. Oh, she's very pretty. Look at those little boots. Woohoo. Oh, look at her little fishnets. Oh, isn't that cute? She's, well, isn't that cute? Oh, it is tights. Okay, I thought it was, oh, wait a minute. We're going to take this off in a minute. Pull-up dolls are unique in the, they're kind of like Blythe's, but different. Well, I don't want to mess up her hair completely. They have 2 buttons and a dial on the back. The dial moves the eyes back and forth. Well, let me get hold of it here. The dial moves the eyes back and forth. How cute is that? Love it, love it, love it. There's 2 buttons, and you can push one at a time, and there's a way to make these stick. Now, I'm new to this. I'll have to figure it out, but they can wink, they can hold it, or they can shut both eyes. This doll is missing a hand. We did know that. This is Dolls Rescued. We are hoping to do just that. Will it pivot? We don't know. Oh! But it looks like this one snaps right back on. Boy, I can see why we lost one. Well, I'm just going to hold that because I would like to see underneath this outfit because it looked like, interesting. Let's see what we have here. They are different than a Blythe doll. Her little outfit is caught in her arm. Or I don't know what we got going on here. Okay, her little outfit. I thought this for a minute when I was looking at it. That's a little tight and I don't want to yank on a doll. I already yanked the hand off. I thought this went up and there was a body cover, but I'm going to put this back on, like a bodysuit under her little dress. I do not know this doll's name because I didn't look it up before I opened her. We just got home from a weekend in St. Louis, spending it with my kids. And I was excited she was in the mailbox when we got here, and I just wanted to get her open and check this doll out. I'm going to have to look at this hand. She's also articulated. Okay, so she moves everywhere. Her hands come off, and her head goes, it swivels as well as turns right and left. I feel like, and I don't know just yet, but I think Tammy Polly just said this on Peace Crafts Dolls, just said that these dolls are more delicate than the Blythe dolls. we brought her down. I got her undressed. These dolls are absolutely more frail than this doll. Now this one is a little loose in the waist. Now, is that because she's older or is that how they come? I don't know the answer. But this is rubber on some sort of a base underneath. And I had trouble with the stockings because it comes apart. As you can see, there's a plastic, I don't know, rectangle or something in there. I like this doll. I like her a lot, but again, not made like the, well, not even like the Ally Blythe. She has one earring. I wish she had two. I really like these, but we can fix that. This ear does not look pierced, but I don't know. I don't know. Let me show you the size. Oh, I was going to tell you about her hand. Her hand is also rubbery, and they're on this tiny little peg that is sideways. And I don't know. I can't say I like that. It came off very easily. Let me set it to, you know what, let me put it back in here. When I pulled her boots off, there is no opening in the back, and both her feet came off. Speaking of feet, let's compare her to, this is a factory Blythe or an Ally Blythe, not a Takara or Kinner or whatever, but there is a difference in their feet. I thought their feet would be smaller, like a Shiba, I want to say Shiba Inu, and that's a dog.
Shiba Juku.
But they're not. Darren's going to see if he can make shoes. They are, their knee has that bend that can go all the way up. The ankle has a lot of articulation. Spit it out here. The hip, while it goes out some, it doesn't go out a lot. And for me, this is kind of a funny bend. I mean, it bends and it holds. I like that. The arms go up and out. They bend at the elbow pretty far up. She can touch her face, brush her hair. Her face is, I don't know, it's different. Okay, on the pegs. Oh, and these dolls wear wigs, where the Blythe, well, some Blythes can. Now, there's a trick that I have not learned yet to, oh, there, no. Push it in and up or up. I don't know. I haven't learned the trick yet for keeping the eyes shut, but each eye works independently with these pegs. Her hair, because she's an older doll, is a bit dry. I probably need to wash her hair. She was a display doll, I'm sure, because her clothing had not been, I don't believe, ever taken off. As far as difference in size, you can see they're an inch longer than the Blythe dolls. They come in at about 12. The Blythe dolls come in at 11. I got to tell you, I always thought they were 12. They are... If you go to make skirts, they can share some clothes, but if you go to make skirts for the pull-up, the elastic size that you always measure your hips, not your waist. You measure your waist, you're going to get a piece of elastic this big, and once sewn, that's not going around those hips without breaking them. But when I cut this piece of elastic for her, I noticed it was larger, so you want to be careful. And especially, you know, this is not to me, not a high-grade plastic they made these legs out of. Otherwise, I really like her. I was going to show you this little doll. I got this as a free gift with some Blythes one time. It is a factory or AliExpress Or little shoes coming off. Pull-up doll. They're called Pullip Littles. I have an actual Pullip Little coming, but I just wanted to show you her. They are taller than the petite, the Blythe petite, but I think it's going to be about the same. Definitely cousins. How's that? The little headbands from the petites do not really fit the Pullip head. It's just different. And their head is on a swivel, I guess. Really cute. They don't have these anymore. I was going to get a couple more. They do not have them. Other than that, we stopped at a Love's. This is the purse I was looking for. I think I buy these for my American Girl or other 18-inch dolls, as well as what I really buy them for is my 24-inch Amaya Rain. Also good for the 24-inch Brats, 28-inch Barbies. They're just a cute little purse. They are $5.99. Just letting you know I found that. Really happy to have it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.